Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and then red line annotations are coming from. And the green lines down here aren't really relevant right now, so in the spirit of keeping this as clean as possible from an annotation standpoint, let's not have lines all over the place. But the big dynamic that occurred today is that the price was able to get up above this trend line here. So technically speaking, what's occurring right now is there's been a trend line breakout. So the breakout has occurred, but the next step of any sort of breakout brings about the valid question of, okay, yeah, breakout has occurred, but is the direction of the breakout. So in this situation, a bullish breakout, are the bulls going to get continuation? Is this breakout going to make progress, or is this just a potentially fake breakout? So that's the big question going forward that everybody's wondering, because that trend line breakout, that's not like some sort of great discovery or secret discovery on my part. I assure you a lot of people out there can draw trend lines, and they've noticed that the trend line has been broken. But the next sequence of the logical thought process would be, okay, well, yeah, can this get continuation, or is this just some sort of fake breakout? And the way to, at least I would measure whether or not this is a fake breakout, is let's see if the price can now maintain above 257.50. And the reason why 257.50 is important, and I'm not saying at all that this will actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say the price were to come down here and then fall back below it. Well, at that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would quite literally have the price essentially right back to where it was before the breakout occurred today. And price movements, breakouts that are true breakouts, are not going to go back to where they were, right? They're going to show at least some sort of progress forward. And that's what that level represents, because maybe the price does come down here, but it behaves in this manner in this situation, and then works its way back upwards. Well, at least at that point in time, you'd still have a situation where you'd have lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows, and you envision those as stair steps. And there you go. You got stair steps still making progress in the upward direction. So in my mind, 257.50, definitely a very important level going forward. And then as far as areas of resistance, I'm going to just go ahead and use this trend line up here to now convert it to the next key level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching. And that's right up there. We'll call it 263, 262.80 to be exact, but I'll round it up 20 cents to the round number of 263. So yeah, a whole lot of people are going to be watching 263, a lot of breakout people. So let's see if the price can work its way up there and actually get the breakout. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.